Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this 3D pattern. This is really easy to knit. As you can see, I use for that this yarn, and the result is like that. But let's do it with another color. For the pattern, we need to have to start to make some chain, and then after we make a chain, it really depends on your the size you like, but what you have to do, we are going to start to make after you make some chain, we're going to start to make 3 chain for the beginning. And then in the first one I insert my hook and start to make a double crochet in each chain. What we have to do here for this pattern, you have to have multiple of 4 plus 1 stitches. So let me just show you how to make 1 double crochet in each, and it has to be multiple of 4 plus 1. I'll do that and I'll be back. So I made some double crochet in each chain. As I told you, it has to be multiple of 4 plus 1. What we have to do, we are going to chain 1, return the work. This pattern you have to have only 1 row repeat, and each row you are going to have the same pattern, and that I show you. Now we are going to exactly start in the first one to make 1 double crochet. When it comes in the first stitch, I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the top. Then we're going to make 1 double crochet like a front post. It means that I'm going to insert the hook here and make 1 double crochet like that. Then we are going to make triple crochet in this stitch. It means I'm going to grab the yarn twice. Maybe it's better to turn it like this. Insert your hook here and then just make triple crochet. In the same stitch we are going to make double triple. It means that we are going to have 3 times and make double triple crochet here like that. Then we skip 3 stitch, 1 2 3. I insert my hook in the first one, make 1 double crochet. Now it's time to repeat that one in the same stitch here. So I'm going to take it like this and make 1 double crochet, then triple crochet, 1 2, and 1 double triple, 1 2 3. Take it 2 by 2 and finish it like that. Repeat again by skip 3, 1 2 3. The first one, insert my hook like that. Now we repeat in this one more time. First 1 double crochet, then triple crochet, then double triple, means 3 loops and like that. We are going to repeat that pattern until the end of the row, and I'll be back. I already finished the row. When it comes to the last part, you have 3 double crochet. You are going to insert the hook on the top of that one, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the chain. As you can see here, 2 at the end and 2 in the beginning. Now we return the work by chain 3, or maybe better do it like the one we made. I chain 1, come here, insert my hook exactly in this stitch here, and make 1 double crochet. Now it's time to make, because as I told you, this pattern repeat in only 1 row repeat. It means we are going to repeat here in front side and back side. The pattern is almost the same, so I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the top of the second one. Now it's time to make 1 double crochet in this stitch, in front side, back like that. 1 double crochet, triple crochet in the same stitch, double triple in the same stitch. Now we are going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3. When it comes to that one, we make 1 double crochet on the top. Now it's time to make the pattern again here in this stitch. So we are going first make 1 double crochet, then triple crochet, then double triple crochet. Like that. We are going to repeat the same pattern here, 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 and I'll be back when I finish the row. Now I already also finished this row. When it comes to the end, as you can see here, I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the top of that one, and then 1 more on the top of the chain as a edge. This is the pattern. If you can see, front side and back side exactly the same, but if you repeat these 2 rows, it means that just chain 1 back here, make 1 double crochet on the top of the first one, another double crochet on the top of the second one, and start to make the pattern by 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double triple crochet in this one, and then skip 3, make 1 double crochet like that, and just repeat the pattern. After few rows, you are going to have the pattern like this. This is like a 3D. You can see here this front side and back side. almost the same. Again, it's really suitable for pattern for a scarf. And that's all. As I told you, I use this yarn for that one. I think this also is beautiful, but it's up to you which color and which yarn you would like to choose. Thank you for watching this video, and I would be appreciate if you subscribe the channel, and have a great day.